standing in line, about to board the train from Taichung to Taipei. I'm going to show you guys what the business class seats look like on this train. These 14A, that's what Sheena is.
Excuse me, sir. I'm A.
Well, too bad. Alright, so looks like we got somewhere to put my bag to hook on. This looks, yeah, it definitely is a lot better than economy. It's quite similar to the train we rode in China from Hong Kong, the new high-speed rail. Looks like just above the seats you can put luggages. There's enough space for it, so I'll have to show you guys. Just above me is, I don't know how that works, but it's a light, I think. That's what it is. Yep, so that's a light. Fancy. And just in front of me, it looks like the one in China where I can bring this down and rest my feet. And if I do this, it's a different setting. And then we've got all these other little instruction manuals, the safety card, little magazine, don't know what this is. And we've also got a little tray table in front of us. Little brew for your drink. Yeah, that's the lights. And just to my side, there's a little button over here to recline the seats. If I pull that, there we go. We've also got a little headphone jack over here for some kind of entertainment service on board. I think it's done with radio or something. And just in front of it, I thought it was a USB, but it's not. It's actually a power socket. 110 volts AC, and you can plug any adapter in there. Anyways, let's have a look outside. So this train can reach speeds of up to 300 km an hour, and will roughly arrive in Taipei in 1 hour. Usually it would take about 2 hours to drive. Anyways, if you like this video, remember to subscribe to my channel, give us a like, and give us a comment in this comment section below if you want to find out anything more about this train. Yeah, anyway, see ya.